Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the upcoming 2026 Lexus LM Motorhome. A masterpiece that redefines what a luxury home on wheels can be. Imagine Lexus refinement combined with futuristic design and first-class amenities. The LM isn't just a motorhome, it's an icon in the making. Let's start at the front. The LM exterior is nothing short of futuristic elegance. Its bold spindle grille, seamlessly integrated LED headlamps, and aerodynamic curves make an immediate statement of prestige and power. Subtle orange LED accent lines run along the edges, adding an unmistakable signature glow. The front fascia sits low and wide, giving it an assertive stance that feels more super yacht than RV. Moving to the rear, Lexus continues to impress. The back features sculpted surfaces, sleek wraparound LED tail lights, and a floating roof design with a panoramic upper deck. The large Lexus emblem and dynamic bumper lines give it a premium yet sporty vibe. And those dual rear axles, they hint at serious stability and road presence, perfect for long journeys in ultimate comfort. The cockpit is where Lexus's driver-centric philosophy shines. Expect a digital dashboard with a massive curved OLED display, haptic touch controls, and plush captain chairs finished in fine leather. Advanced driver assistance features and autonomous driving options elevate the experience, making even long hauls effortless. Step into the living area and you're greeted by modern luxury. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and tasteful orange accents create a warm, inviting vibe. The dual sofas feature the iconic Lexus logo stitched into the cushions, while large windows blur the line between inside and outside. It's a space designed for relaxation, conversation, or simply enjoying the view. At the back, the bedroom transforms into a private sanctuary. A full-size luxury bed dressed in high thread count linens, overhead storage cabinets finished in gloss black, and carefully designed mood lighting create an atmosphere of refined tranquility. The gourmet kitchen area showcases premium appliances, stone effect countertops, and an intelligently designed layout. From built-in ovens to smart fridges and ample storage, it's ready for quick meals or fine dining on the road. While Lexus hasn't officially confirmed powertrain details, industry insiders expect a robust hybrid V6 or a next-gen plug-in hybrid setup. It's likely to produce ample horsepower to move this large, luxury motorhome effortlessly, with smooth torque delivery for city cruising or highway touring. And thanks to Lexus's commitment to quiet cabins, you can count on a whisper-quiet ride, even at speed. Given the tech, craftsmanship, and brand prestige, experts predict the 2026 Lexus LM will start around $480,000 to $600,000, depending on customization options. This places it in the ultra-premium tier of motorhomes, competing with brands like Volkner Mobile and Marchi Mobile, but with Lexus's unique blend of refinement and reliability. Rumour has it the LM will be unveiled officially in mid to late 2026, possibly as part of Lexus's vision for sustainable luxury mobility. Pre-orders could open late 2025 for VIP clients, with first deliveries expected in the second half of 2026.